Hello. I know it has been such a long time since my last video, but I've promised so many of you that we will be back on. So I'm glad to say we are back on. This is the first video that you're gonna see, obviously, and there will be many more to come. Fingers crossed anyway, but that's the plan. Now, so welcome back everyone who have been following me here on YouTube. That is so lovely to know that you like my videos, and of course for anyone new coming across our channel, welcome to Anna Marie Designs. So my name is Anna Marie, and I've got this lovely napkin video for you today. Now this project actually I will be doing on the bottle, which it's primed in a very sort of rough way at the moment, with the ceramic effect and also natural voile. Okay, just to give us a little bit of texture. So the ceramic effect, obviously that's the product you do need. Okay, and it's perfect for any type of crafting, whether that's glass, plastic, metal, card, MDF, anything. And of course many of you will know this product very, very well. Now what I am going to show you today is actually this bottle. So let me just spin it around. Okay, and you will see this beautiful napkin design here. Okay, loads of colors, and of course we have this beautiful magic. And this magic, it's actually crushed ice crystals. Again, many of you would have already seen it, me using it many times, or purchasing it as well, and loving it, I'm sure. Okay, so let's start with our project. Now, number one, as you can see, rough paint, rough priming on the bottle. This is a lovely bottle. Okay, and just to show you that I am using this product, I am going to actually apply a little bit more. So you know, the way I apply obviously is with the, if I don't want something to be very smooth, I would just literally just add the ceramic effect to it like so, straight to the bottle I meant. If I want something to be nice and smooth, I do stipple gently and often. Of course, you could always go and see my other videos on YouTube, where you can see one particular project that I've made, where the stippling, delicate stippling, is very essential. Okay, so just very quickly do that. Now that's it, I think I'm done. Now one thing I will show you right now is basically our new product, which we have launched about a month ago, which is the heat gun holder. And as I'm going to be drawing actually this heat gun holder slides, and it is perfect for bottles and that kind of thing. So while I'm going to be heating this bottle, this ceramic effect, I can actually do something else. And something else will be where I will be actually cutting out one square of this napkin. Okay, so I'll show you how to do that as well. Now obviously I can't decide. There is so many beautiful napkin designs that we have. It's unbelievable. But I know it's Christmas, but we can always have a girl as a Christmas. I mean, after all, we give projects away as a present as well, so that could be one of them. So you will hear some noise, and that's a heat gun, and I will be cutting my napkin into a quarter. For anyone who's new to napkin, obviously these napkins are 3 plies, and what we need to do, we need to remove the top ply from each design. So I'm using my finger to just grab the top ply. Okay, and I've got that here, and that's ready. And now we're just going to heat up the bottle a bit more. So our ceramic effect is dry now, and I'm ready to apply the napkin. So this is my top line of the napkin. And because my bottle is so sort of an interesting shape, I'm just going to balance this out with 2 pots. Now I also know this napkin is perfect for my bottle here. Okay, and we're just going to go across it. Right, for that purpose we do need a napkin glue. We can always reapply it. Okay, and gently now, we're just going to go from inside and out. We need to do that carefully because we know we have a texture, so we need every single part to be attached. And just rub this over. Remember to make sure that every edge of your napkin is properly stuck on. It's very important. Okay, so we are done now, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to use the heat gun again to speed up the process of drying. So I've stippled a little bit of ceramic effect, literally very gentle stippling on the edges of my napkin, just right at the bottom and sides, okay? And now I'm going to stipple a little bit at the top of my MDF word, Joy. I know it's a girl, and I know it's got a few roses there, but we will try to turn it into a Christmas design. Okay, so we're going to leave that to dry. And now on to the next part. And the next part is actually adding colour all over my bottle, well, at the back and in places here, using the Inca paints. They are fabulous. If you are new to this, okay, this product, let me tell you, they are like chalky paints if you really don't buff them, okay? And if you do start to sort of buff them with the towel, they become silks, hence why the name. They are beautiful and fabulous. And look how beautiful this green looks here. And let me just tell you what colour this is. This is actually pistachio. So it's fabulous. I'm just going to add a little bit here. So I've got this beautiful pistachio colour. Now I'm adding a little bit of a rosewood. I will also add a little bit of berry, and if we need to lighten anything, it's powder as well. So I'm done with my Inca silks, and what I'm going to do now, while once the Inca silk is dry, which actually takes very little time to dry it, I'm going to sand it down, and that way I will reveal all my texture that I've applied when I prime the bottle. Before you proceed, you just need to wipe off the excess of powder. So, if you're going to apply the crushed ice all over your bottle, what you need a generous amount of just a PVA glue. And what we need to do, basically, is use a brush for that. So we'll see if that's enough. If not, we will reapply it. So you've got your brush. Also prepare your box. White box is the best. And of course the crushed ice. Okay, so we've got everything ready. And now what we're doing, now you can actually apply the glue all over this napkin, but I'm actually going to go around the girl's face. Okay, so we're just going to leave the face without the magic, so to speak. And you do not need to have huge amount of glue. And when you do section, just make sure you sprinkle the crushed ice crystals onto it. Okay? You can see how beautiful this looks now. I'm just going to do this section. So the magic is being applied. Now obviously we can wait for it to dry. Now the white areas that you still can see in places, that's your wet crushed wet pin PVA glue. And I'm just going to very gently just place it, rest it, very gently. And now we're just going to add a decoration. Now, so you can see that the roses are a little bit diluted. Okay, so it doesn't have to be every day, it can be Christmas. So let's just make it a little bit Christmassy. So, you saw me decorating, adding the little Christmassy touches. So this is the MDF Joy, obviously a few Christmas ferns, obviously a flower arrangement, and this is our napkin bottle, covered all over with crushed ice crystal, which is what I call magic. Isn't this beautiful? So we obviously have more inspirations on our website and the particular product that you see there, but these are the few samples that you can see here. Christmas, but a girly Christmas. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video tutorial. For anything, obviously, if you would like to me using in this demo, you can visit our website www.annamariedesigns.co.uk, and until then, well, I hope you will be creating or recreating something like this in your own craft room. Thank you. See you soon. Bye bye.